All right. Let's not waste any time. Help. Every time this dang thing. Whatever. Uh, so, so I've got the level to put together. Still have to do the final cut scene. We have to build and publish on itch, and it's gonna be a crunch. Oh, and UI, yeah. Oh man. Okay. Well. Yeah. UI. Publish. I guess cutscene, like final cutscene. Achievements. I don't know if we're gonna get to that. We're coming down to the wire. We're gonna have to really prioritize what we do with our time. So, first things first. Let's. Oh shit! My camera, my screen. Okay. Basically. I'm just gonna call this stretch. Yeah. Oh, and tile mapping. We'll do our best. We're gonna do our best here. First things first. Let's test out some of the changes I've made to the death. Or actually the enemies themselves, because those are some updates I made. Oh boy. Oh wait. There we are. Oh good. Offset off T? What? No, don't tell me what I'm trying to put here. What? All right, trap. I really could go without this crap right now. 138. Offset. No, actually, these don't need an offset though, because this is the spike trap, so we're all good here. Oh boy, what? All right. In level line 75. No, buddy, Buckaroo, get fucked. Go away. That's not. We're not doing that yet. All right. One thing at a time. Something in Maine? What line is that? 35? What? Load was not declared. Oh. Touche. Weird. And then this one, 123, get player position. Right. Yeah, okay. That's fine for now. Right. Draw. What? Has no draw 2D. Yeah, okay. Oh, okay. 90. What? Error. Has non-static data member enemy texture. Has no non-static data member enemy texture. Oh, docile and hostile. Fuck. Okay. Yes, because the textures change depending on what state the enemy is in. So I think I have. Oh man, we're just gonna have to do. What's it called? Enemy, yeah, blue. Non-hostile. And then the host. Don't help me out here, will you? Hostile. Yeah, it's always like, oh, I know what you mean. Well, oh, that's good. Undefined reference type info for trap. Where at? Okay. Wait, where? Undefined reference type info for trap. Buddy, please. I know I made some changes, but you gotta fucking help me out here. Oh my god. It's here. No. Alright. I don't know where to begin. I really don't know where to begin or what to do. Because at this point it's just like, oh. That's death. I think would be it. I mean, buddy, all right. Of course, you know, you're fucking already busy. And C++ is like, oh, you know what? Actually, I've got some specific shit you're going to have to figure out. That's goddamn. I should have gone with Godot. I don't know what the fuck I was thinking. Declaring a virtual function without defining it. I mean, I did define it. You are attaching a definition to the declaration, which means the linker doesn't need to resolve it later. Okay, well. All right, here. Is this what you want? I give everything a 0 and you're like happy about it. Yeah, okay. This is literally just... Oh, that's good. That's good. Good to know everything's working just like it should be. Nice. Nice. We're totally boned. I also feel like, I don't know, fucking around with the test levels is also kind of a waste of time, sadly. So I don't even really want to do that. I mean, I should, actually, because it's way easier to test these little updates and changes. Nah. Oh, why? I mean, neither of them are showing up. That's the funky thing. All right. We're just going to have to go full steam into the void here. As insane as that is. Sure. Yeah. What could be worse? This is going to be rough. Why does it do this when it's like not going to try to recognize what I'm doing here? All right. Okay. Oh man. Yeah, we don't even. Oh, all right. We gotta have all this. So let's practice putting that together. Okay. This just means we're gonna have to like duct tape a lot of other functions and see how they all slap together. I'm not worried about anything at all. Why should I be? All right, traps. Yeah, all that. That's good. Hopefully. Okay. Okay. One update. I'm just going to copy them all over here. All the update and draw functions for each kind of major test that we seem to have focused on the most. The other tests are fine. They just don't have shit. There's dust everywhere. Oh, my roommate's refurbishing the bathroom. Okay. I hope they don't get cancer. Test death. Right. Okay. Let's see. Test enemy, collisions, death, dialogue. All right. All these draw functions. Let's start slapping them together, shall we? All right. So for actor, I'm pretty sure a lot of that is literally just like the player. So dialogue's probably got to come last because it's got to overshadow everything else. Let's see here. Doesn't seem to recognize what I'm doing here. Hello. Oh, yeah. The map. Well, it's probably the first thing we draw. I wonder, I'm like, do I need 2 draw functions? Maybe. We'll do everything in 2D for now. The orbs. We got to draw. Yeah, dialogue comes last. I don't know. We'll save this for. Maybe this will be like where dialogue is, you know. Update draw 2D. Yeah. All right. Okay. Let's see. Player draw. And then there's player draw 2D. I think on top of the orbs, the enemies will be drawn over the player. Same as the traps. So that's got to be a list. What's in player draw? Oh, okay. Yeah. Can I, oh, actor. Yeah. Oh, okay. All right, we're grabbing. All right. All right. No, no. Not that. Not like that. Just the ones that... Lol. Okay. There. All right, we have an actual player. What's the draw 2D function on this real function? Yeah, we're drawing a texture rec. Oh, that's like the real deal. Yeah. And this is like debugging stuff. We'll leave it in there just in case. We got to draw the enemies over the player. So let's see here. I see one enemy here. Gonna make that an array. Enemies. And I don't know how many we're gonna have. 8 maybe. More will be made at the end. All right. Hold on a minute. Enemies. Enemy count. Okay. Let's just do 2 for now. We'll put them like in the same room. Maybe room number like 5, is it? Yeah. What's that? 30. We'll put somewhere in it like 36. And 27. And then 24. Oh man, and 50. I guess it could be a little longer than 24. 40. All right. Let's just do 2 enemies for now. Enemy count 2. And we draw. It's not recognizing what I'm doing here. Why not? Level. Level. All right. I couldn't tell you why, honestly. Well, whatever. All right, every enemy, we're gonna draw. Just the draw command. All right. I think that's a good order. So we do map. Let's see. We do draw 2D first. So we'll do map. Orbs for dialogue. our player, enemies, and then traps. And then this will be rendered outside of that. Oh boy, oh golly. Okay. Now the actual loop itself. Let's see here. How do I break this down? Having something that runs off of state is helpful, so we'll definitely want that. So game states. Start. We'll do that for every state we have in our game. Start. Intro. Setup. Play. Pause. Death. Outro. End. Yeah, that's it, right? Start, intro, setup, play, pause, death. Oh, finale. That's right. So I gotta put that together. That's a lot, man. This is a lot. Okay. They're definitely each going to need brackets here. So, if play. All right. We'll take this, put it into play. And we'll remove it here. We're taking input always, and I think that's important. What we do with that input or how we process it will change, of course. And we're just going to wipe everything as we go. And this is level update for the whole thing. Let's see. And this is done outside of state, seemingly. So we'll do that. All right, and this is what we do if we are dead. Cool. We do that at least. And if we are in play... Okay, this is more stuff to do while in play. Oh. Again, we're just going to slap things together. We're going to have some redundant code for a minute, but that's okay. So let's see here. And then enemy update happened on the outside. So there we are. Okay, handle input, command. We're doing a collision check. We probably only have to do this inside of play. Because, I don't know, there's just nothing else to, like, go for. What am I saying? I have no idea. We do collision checks because we're not going to be checking really any other time in the game. So let's just focus it on that section. Death. So if we're dying... Give some space here, shall we? And then if not, while we're in play, and we've got another one here with player update. brackets. Okay. I hope that happens while I'm playing here. Okay, that's a lot. Yeah, we don't have any of these fleshed out either. That just kind of goes to show. It's like all this is literally just like one, 2 cases filled out. Okay. Lots of move player. We already have this. Player update. It'll come later. We don't need any of that. That's all redundant. Check for pursuit or detection. Okay. Let's see. Enemy in pursuit. Oh, this has got to be done for each enemy, huh? So. All right. So, check for, check enemies. Oh, shoot. Okay, well, hold on a minute. The collision check looks like it happens, and it determines whether or not we move, actually. So let's move that up here. There we go. We don't need that. Can we move? What was this like part of? Yeah, we'll run that. Run that check. Let's see here. Hold on. Hold on. It's gonna be a little messy here. Okay, so this will check whether we have a real collision. Where'd you go? This checks if we have a collision. Oh shit. What are you doing, man? Lol. Damn. God, I hate it when I can't, like... There. Okay, has collided. So, if we have not collided and player can move. So I believe that's a different check for something else. Yeah, if we're not collided, we can move, then we move. We check all of our enemy AI. We already did this. Check for traps, okay? Where does the enemy get updated? Yeah. Enemies updated outside of state. Is that true? Yeah. So we gotta make sure it's true for all of them. Who else needs to update? I think traps do, don't they? Or does that update here whenever we check for them? Let's see, we can activate them. We set the state if anything happens. Let's see, player update. Yeah. Okay, we update traps. Update like interactables. Let's see. Oh, that's already like updated. I don't think there's no update here. Oh, no. Damn it. Don't look at my internet history. Okay. Okay. Buddy, I asked you to be quiet last time. I'll turn up a little bit. We need the pump up. Okay. We're gonna have a lot of issues with just this. I'm totally sure. That is what it is, man. That is what it is. For now, we start off. We'll start off and play. And as we add some of the other elements, we'll work those in. You boy. Okay, but I think that's good. Oh shit, the patrol points. All right, each enemy is just gonna have like 2. We just can't do that much. All right, 36 and 27. So you're going to go to, I don't know, 36 and 27. And then you're going to go to like 44 and 25 maybe. A little zigzag action. 40, let's say this one's, well, 30. Oh, man. Yeah, 30 and 48. 53 maybe. I don't know what I'm doing. 20 and 30. Oh, hey. Having the stream up for views. Gonna keep staring at the screen. Yeah. I'm gonna do my best. We're gonna cut it close though. That's for certain. Yeah. Okay. 20, 38. All right. Where should this one go to? So up to 38, it's like 58. I don't know, 30 to 50. Let's just like wide sweep for this second one. So they each get their own patrol points. There we go. We got our dialogue set up. All of I just put a bunch of filler right now. Actually, we'll need that at some point. Actor, player. I don't know. Check all these references to actor also. Actor, actors, actor start. Do we have that res start cell? I don't think we've. Let me say that somewhere. Right? Start cell. Why isn't it recognizing? What's going on here? Test collisions. How about level? Yes. Tweak buttons. They are under sprites, UI, buttons, button name, final. Okay. I'll get those added here in a little bit. I want to see if we can get the full level to run. At least. I want to see if we can at least get it to load and everything together. So we're probably just going to encounter a lot of, you know, this is missing or this isn't set up and all kinds of little issues like that. Typically happens when you start putting stuff together, though. So, all right. Yeah, all right. Okay. Trap count redefined. Oh, okay. Yeah, we've got it defined twice. So, within level itself, let's see. Every test, I should probably just tell it to have its own, like count. So, test collisions is fine. Test death has trap count. Yeah. So, let's call this test trap count because it's just associated with this test. Test enemy doesn't have one. Test dialogue. Do we do anything? Dialogue count, I'm pretty sure, is reused again. So, again, test dialogue count. And now we don't have overlapping variables. I'm sure it's mentioned somewhere else. Oh, yeah, it's mentioned right here. So, level 40, level line 75. Float to int, narrowing conversion. There's also a bracket. Huh. Really? On level? Oh, that's trap. Oh, shoot. Here, let's close some of this stuff out. Oh, okay. Maybe we don't. I'll do that. I'll close all these for now. They'll be back. Don't worry about it. They'll be back. 74. Is that really the what's the issue? Level sources. Float to int. I thought it said warrowing. I was like, what Emily Bronson like novel is that? Warrowing Whites. Narrowing conversion? Oy, 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 oy. Okay. Let me think here. I understand what it's saying. Let me think here. Do we look at the size? We do want the points to be an integer. So that's a good point. That's a good point. Well, I'll tell you what. Let's just make this an integer as well. I'm pretty sure it's used universally upon integers, so if anything, this will save us probably some more headaches down the line. Hopefully. No member with enemy texture. Okay. Level 75. Enemy texture. Oh, that's right. We don't have enemy texture. We have enemy blue hostile. We want non-hostile. And then we want hostile. And we also want enemies don't have sound. They're going to be really silent. Silent but deadly. Stinky, stinky enemies. And this one will be the hostile texture. Whoa. Whoop. Enemy, pink, hostile. Here we go. Okay. That's the problem with that. No background. Maybe it's background texture. Or is it dialogue? Dialogue background. An update. Error collision has not been detected. Huh. Oh, we probably didn't include it. Did we? Nope. All right, well. We'll include it way up here. It's a static class. Only got the one function, but okay. So we've included it. Enemy was not declared within the zone. Do you mean enemy? 190. Probably just didn't loop through all of them. Yes. Oh, yes, yes, yes. Tell you what, when we die, actually, we don't need to tell the enemies to reset. Because they'll probably do that on their own. In fact, they do. I don't give a shit. I'm pretty sure they will reset on their own. Just only one we find out. Test was not declared in main. Is that in main CPP? You are correct on that note. Test up. Main level. Okay. Well, that I think covers all those issues. So that's good. Unfortunately, we are. Everything loaded successfully for now, but we're not able to move. So let's find out why. We are in play. We do have an input command. Checking collisions. Can move. What happens? What sets us to frozen? Oh, it's public. Oh, great. Huh. I wonder. Trap count. Is this activated? Well. Let's see. I know a compiler would have been better for this, but I got to make do with what I have right now because I don't think I have the time to put the whole project over. It's going to take some time, and we've got 6 hours until this is due. So, not. I'm going to call. We're not going to shift over to a compiler. Let me think here. F. Whoa. New line. So new line. Collided. And then we will provide the result of that. Has collided. We'll see if we collided with anything, and also if we can move. It's probably a good one too. Collided, can move. All right, let's do that check. We haven't collided. Collided is false, can move is true. So let's check right in here. So there's a good way of actually proving it, because we can move. So we are getting input commands. We can tell that much because we're changing direction. The real question is, why aren't we updating our position? So we got animate. Move. Still need to do update. We're updating the player, right? Where is that happening? Oh, hold on a minute. Player update. Should that only happen in play? Maybe not. Let me pull that all the way outside here. We haven't fixed our issues doing that. So what I'm going to do is actually put that all the way back. As silly as that may seem, sometimes it's good not to reassess. But here's a real good question. Do we actually get here? We are updating. This is the animation, though. What happens when we move, I wonder? Like, why? Our speed should be really fast. For debugging purposes right now. Yeah. Yeah, actually, it's not this one I'm worried about. We are animating, actually. Position. Don't I print off? Yeah. All right, well. I'm telling it to draw a dialogue. It's not doing that. Why not? It's not drawing this either. All right, why? I feel like this was working just a moment ago. The offset actually never changes. We don't need to draw that. Do we have to set it? No, I shouldn't even set it. It's set once and it's fine. We're not doing any kind of zoom stuff. What is that message it tells us? Warning, format string literal, non-arguments. Oh, okay, that's fine. I'm going to ignore the warnings. Yeah, so like... Why is this not drawn? We are moving. We are changing direction. A change in animation. Yeah. Whoa. Um, we are getting position changes. Holy shit, that's a lot of cells. Um, yeah. The little box doesn't move either. So that tells us that, fuck is that telling us? Maybe it's the camera that's not moving. Get player position. Yeah. Once again, I wish these things would just be drawn, but they're not. So now we gotta print something out. Are we like moving at all, really? Speed. It's very fast. I mean, fuck. I don't know. More speed? Our position is so small. Or is it? What the fuck? Or like... You what's happening? Our current cell has not changed once. Okay. Why? This worked in the test collision. Something is different that I do not understand. Level. Input handler. Start cell. What is our start cell? I figure this would be fine. Yeah, it fits. I mean, we are starting in the right place. It's fine. All right, input. We have a command. We're gonna move the player. And say we'll do a collision check on our position. Get our neighbors. I don't give a shit. Literally has me with every other pixel. Yeah. That's coming down to the wire, you know. It's like we know we're doing this. So we're not, you know, we're not getting collisions here. So we don't get collisions. Where's the movement? What's going on with that? This is getting run through. Feels like it's getting updated. Let's try this again. All right, our camera. Our camera X kind of gets stuck. It jumps too. I mean, what the hell? I can hardly read this. Why is position X changing? Wait a minute, what the hell? What? Our actor isn't moving? Huh. It shouldn't, though. Nothing happens. It should just return. If there's no input command, we shouldn't be seeing that printout, right? Huh. Collided and can move. Player. Collided can move is true. Collided is false. That's weird. Okay, we stopped moving. We're moving again. Like, where are we going? That's the real fucking question. How's this printing twice? Now it prints once? What the fuck? Our current cell is 2 different locations? Hold up. This ain't just the player. This is any actor. We're printing off all their positions right now. There's only one that really matters, though. That's this one. There are other moves happening for enemies. Right. Enemy. I think enemy is happening somewhere in their own updated function. Yeah. Okay. Tell you what. I'll bring that back. Only this time. Here for level when enemies update. Because update is where the enemy will ultimately have their own. Oh, thanks, man. Just show me that. Update is where the enemies actually do their move command. Okay. Just putting everything in brackets. Hold on a minute. What's happening here? And if death, we turn off all our traps while we're in play. Okay. I wonder if we should add like pieces over time. Tell you what, let's do that. Let's see if we can just get like the player to show up. We'll just check for collisions. So there we are, an update. We're not doing this. Oh, excuse me. We're not gonna do any of this. We're literally just drawing a map and a player. Oh, that's so nice, man. You gotta... What? Yo, why? Why is this a problem now? What? Okay, all right. Nope, sorry. That's it. Please don't give me all those other errors. Whoa, shit. Okay. Holy fuck. Oh, right. The speed. Oh, okay, well... Alright, so we are moving. Faster rate at what we're normally going to be moving, but point is that we can move the player around the map in our main level. Good. Now I think that checks collisions too, you know? Yeah, and it's a little sticky. It's not the best collision system. There's no ability to slide, but it's like, you know, most people aren't going to be running along more walls. If it happens, I think a lot of people are like, we can put something there to be like, hey, look, collisions are sticky. Just, you know, if you get stuck on a wall, just try to move away from it. It's barely passing, you know, but it's passing. Okay. I'm gonna do dialogue next, actually. So, reset one death. I don't care for that. It's funny. I have all this reset, like player is frozen, player set cell. Let's say, just say reset player. Create new actor. No need. Reset all our traps. That's good. We cleared up that a little bit. All right, let's just add dialogue boxes. So we'll need to do our interactables. We'll need to let dialogue be drawn. Enemy traps, dialogue update. Just a moment.